The city of Fayetteville, home to 100,000 residents and the University of Arkansas, faces the risk of a major sewer line failing beneath an interstate highway. Unusual rainwater intake at a major pump station prompted an investigation into the cause of the overflow.
The City of Fayetteville sent a rover through their sewer pipe here that's running underneath I-49.
The rover recorded alarming footage hinting at a major pipeline failure.
Since the big unknown here was how long do we have, I knew immediately this is not where we want to do a traditional project. The fact that you already have all those partnerships and we're able to just jump into a turnkey solution was really helpful for us.
The team rushed to deploy an emergency bypass system, diverting the flow away from the compromised section. Then SGH deployed a team down the pipeline and launched an in-depth investigation.
The initial pipe design should have included grout in any void spaces that were behind the pipe. And so it became pretty clear in the investigation that the majority of the middle section, none of that grout was present, and therefore we were just seeing just a literal collapse of the tunnel.
Shoring was essential to safeguard the crew repairing the pipeline.
Once we established the safe conditions inside of the pipe, the next step was to fill that entire annular space with cellular grout.
After curing the cellular concrete, hundreds of holes were drilled through the pipe into the soil for cementitious grout pumping. Then the team stabilized the surrounding soil using a permeable material.
So we did that for 3 different phases. It was 150 feet on each side, shift the shoring in for phase 2, and then for phase 3, we worked on the middle 300 feet of that pipe.
The next stage is to now put in the permanent structural liner on the inside using the carbon fiber materials.
A key solution was using carbon fiber reinforced polymer, a lightweight yet extremely strong composite material. The CFRP liner can be designed as a fully structural, standalone system able to handle all loads without relying on the host pipe.
Once we surface prepped the entire pipe, we went through and we primed the surface with an epoxy, and then we installed the carbon fiber system per SGH's design.
We've got to get this done as quickly as possible, so schedule started to become the driver and really ideal for a collaborative situation.
Because your company is really spread out, you have people all over the country, and just being able to meet virtually at key decision points pretty repeatedly was very helpful.
Through innovative solutions and close collaboration, the unified design-build team averted a major sewage pipeline failure, ensuring the vital sewer system continued operating without interruption for the Fayetteville community.